Kumshibenta jong kajing rakhi kasal good governance ka bakhatway hapo kajing elam Myntri rang ba'do kari Narendra Modi Myntri Khynnah jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ubakhmi ka kam korbari upabitra Margarita menta kasngi ula Leit Jngoh ikaraj Laban Secondary School pad ula thongro ikitan riding ka principal jong ka school kala pensngo ikijing e ha kabaya dei bat kajing penbha ya kijing tei uli Myntri ula pen tikinaro ba ansawat ikilat kilenti ha kabaya dei bat kajing kershan pisa da ka bakadau ikijing perking halor kajing pendan kam ya kamang pisa MP Shabar ka constituency jong Myntri Sorkar Jelau ba AL Hek MLA ba Sanbor Shulai bat kinong yalam na kaseng BJP kilawan benishim bentalang ha kani kasngi
whether there are any schemes of central government under which the schools like this can be renovated, or any financial assistance can be offered to this kind of schools. Third, as this is really our ST dominated state, there are many schemes from the Department of Ministry of Development for ST also, whether there are some schemes. Thirdly, MPs also have some this MP living funds, but Rajya Sabha MPs expenditure is generally limited to their geographical jurisdiction. That is, I belong to Assam, that's why I can expand in the state of Assam only. But there is a scope to some limited scope to give some project to other states also. Whether I have crossed that limit or whether still I have that capacity to give at least as a token of love and respect to the school or some any other school, I have to check it. So very seriously, I have noted all the points raised by our honorable principal for the development and renovation of this institution.